The ultimate ginger turmeric carrot juice to replace your pain and inflammation meds. Many people around the world suffer from this painful condition. They have many problems, especially with their knees or hips. When you suffer from this condition, you can't move properly, you can't walk, you can't do anything. Well, the biggest problem is that many people reach for prescription medications, ibuprofen, anytime they experience joint pain. Note, but you should know that these pills only provide a short-term relief, and they can take a big toll on your liver, and they can cause addiction. This is why all medical experts and doctors are moving more and more towards healing foods and disease-specific diets. The medical experts say that all people should know that healthy diet can help you a lot with your painful joints. They also highly recommend that you should cut on inflammatory foods and eat more fruits and vegetables. Well, today is your lucky day, because in this article we are going to show you how to make the most powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie, which will help you relieve joint pain in just 1 week. You should know that the super healthy smoothie is loaded with healthy nutrients and disease-fighting compounds, so it's important to use organic products if you want to get the best results. This smoothie is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Homemade anti-inflammatory smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 3 or 4 carrots, 1 red apple, 1/2 in piece of ginger root, 1/2 in piece of turmeric root, 1/4 lemon with its peel intact. Directions: first, you need to peel the turmeric and ginger and remove the core of the apple. After that, you need to cut up all the ingredients. And now you need to put everything together in a blender and pulse at high speed. Add a bit of water if necessary. About the ingredients. Turmeric. We can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest and most powerful spices in the world. You should know that a recent study has confirmed that turmeric has the ability to reduce pain caused by arthritis better than ibuprofen. We can also mention that turmeric fights infections, prevents some cancers, reduces inflammation, and treats digestive and liver problems. This powerful root is also useful in treating Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and other conditions. Ginger. Many people around the world think that ginger is one of the healthiest roots on the planet. Ginger reduces joint pain and reduces inflammation in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. And now you probably ask yourself, how it works? Well, it works by suppressing inflammatory molecules and switching off certain inflammatory genes. And just like turmeric, ginger provides results similar to those of ibuprofen. Apple. These super healthy fruits are loaded with this compound quercetin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Quercetin has the ability to maintain heart and blood vessel health and fight high cholesterol, heart disease, and circulation problems. Carrots. Did you know that carrots contain high amounts of beta-cryptoxanthin and other powerful antioxidants that provide significant anti-inflammatory benefits, even when compared to anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, and Celebrex? Lemon. We can easily say that lemon is one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. This super healthy fruit contains high amounts of healthy nutrients, and it can provide many health benefits. Even though lemon contains citric acid, it actually has an alkalizing effect on the body. Nutrients and compound found in the peel relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and fight nerve pain, making them a great fruit for patients suffering from arthritis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share.